Mercury. Imagine standing on Mercury. Above you, the sun looks more than 3 times bigger than it does on Earth. The heat is unbearable. During the day, temperatures rise to around 430 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt metal. But the terrifying part? Once the sun disappears, the planet becomes freezing cold, negative 180 degrees. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, no protection from radiation, no air to breathe, no weather, no sound. If your suit failed for even a few seconds, you'd instantly die. Mercury gets level 1, instant death. Venus. Venus might actually be worse. This planet is basically a pressure cooker from hell. The clouds are filled with sulfuric acid. The atmosphere traps heat so efficiently, the entire planet became hotter than Mercury, around 470 degrees Celsius. And the pressure, it's so intense. Your body would be crushed almost immediately. Scientists once sent spacecraft to Venus. Most survived only a short time before being destroyed. And honestly, that's probably one of the most terrifying planets humans have ever discovered. Venus gets level 1. Absolutely impossible. Earth. Now compare that to Earth. Liquid water, oxygen, perfect temperatures, protection from radiation. Compared to every other planet, Earth almost feels unreal. Because the deeper scientists explore space, the more they realize how rare a planet like this actually is. Right now, Earth is still the only place humans can naturally survive. Level 5, fully habitable. Titan. Titan is one of the strangest worlds in the solar system. It has rivers, rain, lakes, clouds, but none of them are water. They're made of liquid methane. The temperature is around negative 179 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze a human instantly. But here's the weird part. Titan has a thick atmosphere, meaning it protects against radiation surprisingly well. Some scientists even believe future humans could build colonies here. And because the gravity is low, humans wearing wings could actually fly. Titan sounds fake, but it's real. Level 4. Surprisingly promising. Mars. Mars is humanity's favorite backup planet. And honestly, it's the least impossible option. Mars has frozen water solid ground seasons and a day similar to Earth's, which makes it feel strangely familiar. But surviving there would still be brutal. The atmosphere is too thin to breathe. Radiation constantly hits the surface. And giant dust storms can swallow the entire planet. Still, scientists believe humans could eventually build underground cities, oxygen systems, giant glass domes. That's why companies like SpaceX are obsessed with reaching Mars, because one day, it might become humanity's second home. Level 3. Possibly survivable. Neptune. Neptune is where space becomes truly terrifying. This planet has winds faster than the speed of sound. Imagine storms so powerful. They could destroy entire cities instantly. And because Neptune is so far from the sun, the cold is extreme. But the worst part? There's no real surface. Humans would simply sink deeper into the planet's atmosphere. Neptune gets level 2. No chance of survival. Saturn. Saturn looks peaceful. Those giant rings make it one of the most beautiful planets ever discovered. But underneath, another gas giant nightmare. No land, extreme pressure, violent storms. If you tried landing here, you'd fall forever until the pressure crushed you completely. Saturn gets level 2. Jupiter. Jupiter is the king of planets. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But despite its size, humans would never survive there. The radiation around Jupiter is deadly, strong enough to fry spacecraft electronics. And then there's the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Imagine looking outside your spaceship window and seeing a hurricane bigger than your entire planet. Jupiter gets level 2, completely unlivable. Proxima Centauri b, and finally, the planet that could change everything. Proxima Centauri b, a world outside our solar system. Scientists believe it exists inside the habitable zone of its star, meaning liquid water might exist there, and where there's water, there could be life. Right now, another civilization could already be staring into space, wondering if they're alone too.